In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Nubia. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and download free app from Flar2 developer. DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!